croeso I Cellby, Blaenau Ffestiniog. So this is the old police station and magistrates court. And this used to be where you used to come in through the side here and hand in your documents if you'd been a naughty boy or stuff like that. There's also the cells, the old cells through on the other side, and the courthouse upstairs. So the whole project is a gwallgofiaid. It's a not-for-profit social enterprise, and it was set up to basically bring creativity to young people in Ffestiniog. And in 2009 we went to the local secondary school to see the youth council and to see what they wanted in Blaenau Ffestiniog. The first one was Mackie D's, which we couldn't help with, and the second one was the cinema. So we started off upstairs with a little projector and a screen, and basically the screenings were really successful, and the Art Council approached us to see if we wanted to apply for the Art Council digitalisation scheme. And on the back of the youth project, we opened the first cinema in Blaenau Ffestiniog in over 40 years. So we've been going since 2016, done it in several different types of models. Did the old blockbuster full-on kind of type to start off with, and then kind of realised that it was slightly soul-destroying and not quite the films that I wanted to bring to the people of Blaenau Ffestiniog. We wanted to give films with a bit more story, more kind of connecting them with the world, and so we're with the support of Ffilm Cymru Wales, we've been able to do that and be more of an indie cinema, which suits this place. I mean, it's always been an intention to bring a modern cinematic experience to the people of Blaenau Ffestiniog, and I think by connecting them, bringing the world to them in Blaenau Ffestiniog, I think it's a really it's a great thing, because Blaenau Ffestiniog is 80% Welsh language speaking, and if they see other parts of the world with the kind of indigenous languages and minority languages and see films, really good films of high quality, then it kind of makes them feel that we're not on our own, that we are okay in Blaenau Ffestiniog. Diolch yn fawr iawn.